How to earn passive income through crypto. If you're new our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by comment, and share this video. Cryptocurrency is a unique financial instrument that enables anyone with an internet connection to participate in a distributed economy. That includes opportunities to earn passive income. There are unique risks associated with investing and earning with cryptocurrency, even though it may seem like a bank account or social lending platform. Yield farming. The decentralized finance platforms give you the power to earn money, like a bank, by participating directly in a lending process. Here, users connect their cryptocurrency wallets and commit coins and tokens to a pool with others. That pool is then used to lend to others for interest and fees. The users are sometimes paid for participating in the lending process or given interest on the amount they stake or hold in their account. The amount earned from lending crypto depends on three factors: the loan's duration, the loan's amount, and the interest rate. Mining. The backbone of cryptocurrency is blockchain, and it takes many computers working in parallel to create a secure working chain. Behind many of the most popular currencies, including Bitcoin and Litecoin, is an algorithm called proof of work. Under proof of work, participants around the world called miners compete against each other to find the encrypted solution to the block. The winner earns the reward of cryptocurrency. If you have a spare computer at home, you can turn it into a miner and join a mining pool. This usually requires a graphics processing card, GPU, some computer and programming skills, and knowledge about configuring a client application to connect to a hosted one. Staking. Proof of work isn't the only way of getting new coins. A large competitor is proof of stake. Cryptocurrency owners who stake their coins are allowed to participate in the network's consensus process and receive fees for the work done in return. Play to earn games. You can also earn passive income by playing online games. There are many play-to-earn crypto games available today, and each one is unique. In the Philippines, these games became so popular during the pandemic that they became a source of income for those who lost their jobs. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.